van life and winter. Ugh, such a tedious job scraping that ice off the window. Whatever tool you get, you're still too short. I get a ladder, well, that's just plain dangerous.
Bring your own
So
ladder.
I got the genius idea to buy a window shield cover. I thought I bought the right dimensions, but still it's too small. After some research and asking questions in Facebook groups, I got the genius and totally simple idea of sewing two pieces together. So that's what I'm gonna do. Please join me in this episode. My name is Anne, and this is my van conversion. I have no previous experience. All I got is being stubborn and enthusiastic. Join me in my van build. So, you want to open? Who doesn't want to open packages? Best thing ever. One. So the plan is to cut one of these here. So I cut this straight off, and then I'll do the same on the other side. So I got the big piece for the center of the window. So then the plan is that these will cover the center part, the window, the main window, and go around the van and also cover the doors. So that means I don't have to remove ice, snow during the winter. It keeps it a bit warmer in the cab, and also during the summer it will protect the van from heat. Let's see how this works. Oi, mate! Okay, let's try this. Well, this won't be enough. How was I thinking?
Did you cut it already?
Yeah. Okay, so it needs to be like 85 and 180 and 165. Do you remember?
Yeah, and we have it on
85
camera.
tall, 65 and 180, and then 100 and 65. Bella is yelling, "Come inside!" Okay. What are you laughing at? So I'm gonna make it 90 tall first, and then 165 wide. Okay, so now I have two smaller parts. I'm gonna sew here. I'm just going to cut it a bit more. Time for the sewing machine. I forgot the sewing machine. So I'm gonna sew these parts that I cut so they don't open up and the whole thing breaks. Yeah, easy peasy. First side done. second side done. Now I'm gonna do the small pieces. Yeah, let's do that. First small piece done. Ta-da! Second small piece. Now let's attach it to the large piece. Perfect. Look at this. Looky. And then this side looks great.
From the actual.
So I'm gonna needle this
Moment for democracy. That's how President
and listen
Biden
to
is describing the
BBC
reforms
News
the voting
podcast.
he wants to push through.
Best.
He went to the southern state of Georgia to
Okay, so let's try this out. You take this side. And is it in the middle? Well, this should be good. Or? And then I have two pieces left. So then it's big enough. Or? Perfect! Are you cold? Okay,
Nu går vi in.
let's go inside.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Mamma, jag vet inte hur man gör och stänger av den.
Thank you. Morning. So today I'm gonna do the two window parts, and I'm gonna just use the rest of the second part of my window cover. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna cut this in half, and then I'm gonna go outside and see how it looks. Let's do that. So before cutting these in half, I just needle them so they stay put, so I get as even parts as possible. Perfect. And now let's just go outside and see how this looks. Oh, and sorry for the dish washing noise in the background. Multitasking. I love my look in the GoPro. Okay, let's see if this isn't enough. I just add on a piece here. So I need like 10, no, I need more. Or if I'm gonna attach it like this, then I need 20 maybe, or 18, 15. Yeah, I'll see what I have left. I love my GoPro mark. Yeah. So the problem I have right now is that I basically don't have any material left, so I'm just gonna have to puzzle with the pieces I got, but that shouldn't be a problem. This is gonna be great. Let's do this. Okay. This kind of worked. Doing a straight line. Yeah, good enough. Perfect. Look at this. This will do. Let's do some sewing. So good. So good. Okay, so I placed all my pieces. And now I needle them, where I'm gonna sew it. And now I'm gonna take it inside and sew all 3 parts together. Looks great. Guys, I'm going to sew on this lining to protect my window cover. Look at this gorgeous creation! Woo! So, one of the final touches is to saw these rubbery bands here so that these parts stay attached. First I was thinking I should put them like this, but I don't know. It's probably better to put it like this, don't you think? So that it stays attached, these 2 parts. Or
And your first alternative was?
like this. That this one stays put. But now I'm thinking maybe it's good if these 2 stay put and it doesn't blow around.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's the plan. So like this, and on the other side, my fingers are freezing off. And like this. This should do the trick. Yeah. Perfect. Don't you think? Then we have this one. Ta-da! I'm thinking I should have like magnets maybe here and here, and also perhaps up there I should do some extra something like that I can put magnets in, so I can just bloop, and then it stays put. So these are done. And now I'm planning on sewing these magnetic tape strips. I got like 3 meters. So I have 2 pieces and I'm gonna put just above the highest part of the window shield so that I can just attach it on the metal part on the window, or above the window, the main window. So I'm gonna sew pieces of the magnets in here. That's my plan. Yeah, that attaches that way. Does it attach the other way? No. Okay. So it has to be flush like this. Does it work through the material? Yeah, it does. Okay. Here we go. First piece done. Look, it works. I put 2 pieces with metallic tape inside. So, ta-da! Look at this. So I got my magnetic strips up there, and I also got one on each side here. This looks good. happy with the result.
Ta-da!
Don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't be shy, leave a comment, please.